So, fuel price cap 93 octane petrol. What does it mean for the ordinary South African?
Well, it means fuel retailers will now be able to set their own competitive fuel prices below the cap. That means they can discount fuel however they see fit, with price specials, bundles, or volume discounts. This will help lower the petrol prices for the consumers.
Yeah, man. Discount your petrol. Imaginary special jargon. Buy one, get one for free. Yo, nka melt.
La ke nagana bothata ba South Africa ke bolloi. E re robetse balloi ba lela ba fofa ditlhogo. Ba botla petrol.
Again.
Nto e ya petrol prices tse tlhatsegang ha e affect Mzansi fela.
It's not.
No, many countries like France and the United Kingdom, they wanna dust.
So what's causing the hike if that's low?
The price of petrol before any applied taxes and margins is determined by the international dollar price of crude oil and other factors
Like when the countries do wapan.
That's right.
Yeah, ne. It's true what they say. When the grass fights, it's the elephant that suffers. Wait. When the elephant suffers, it's the grass that... Wait, I give you a When the elephant suffers...